Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about the Google Chrome. We are normally using Google Chrome for surfing internet. Today I will show you how to go to internet without saving your history. So first, when we are going any other site, anything or everything you surf, it will save in your Chrome history. So today I will show you how to uh, go to site without saving. So first you need to go to here. There is 3 dot line. I'm showing in my mobile phone. When you click here, you can see new incognito tab. This is the tab. You can go to browse, go to internet, and here is the thing. Google Chrome won't save in following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data information, and your forms. So the you able to go to internet without saving those information. So use this new incognito tab, so you can go to internet without saving your history and cookies and other form and password saving things. So I think you learn anything about the Chrome. So thank you.